There's Mummy with that thing again.
I thought I was taking a picture, but it's recording. So what are you teaching her?
1, 2.
You want to hold her still so we can get a good picture.
No, it's not a picture. It's a video, so you can rock all you want.
Okay.
Just when you watch it on YouTube.
1, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. I know, what's Mummy doing? What's Mummy
Hi,
doing?
Hannah.
What's Mummy doing?
Hi, Hannah. What's Austin doing?
What do you think?
I'm playing with my Spider-Man Lego.
What a great gift that was.
That was Spider-Man Lego.
Good idea. Penny is so good to us.
Those are Spider-Man Legos.
They're not just any Legos, they're Spider-Man Legos. Can you say, just for the record, say thank you, Penny?
Thank you, Penny.
Look at the camera and say that. Pretend Penny's in the camera and say, thanks, Penny.
I mean, she has no choice but to hear it, but when Austin talks...
What's in the camera?
Nope, nothing's in the camera, but pretend that if Penny can look at the movie, what are you going to say to Penny for all the Legos?
What a big tongue.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Very nice. Chocolate chip cookie face.
Betty Davis poses.
Penny, this was a lightsaver.
Let me see.
I done more. I ran.